Messick's, a helping hand with your land.
Hello, YouTube. Every once in a while, it's kind of necessary to sit down and do some channel housekeeping, if it were. You'd be surprised how much work it is in order to shoot 2 videos a week and keep up with these kinds of things. Every once in a while, it kind of benefits me and hopefully you guys too by doing a little bit of interaction like this where we're talking business as opposed to just doing videos all the time. A couple things coming up on the calendar that I wanted to share, and also some help that I could use from you guys in planning upcoming videos. One of the kind of markers in our year is our annual open houses. That runs for 2 weeks here at the end of January. So of our 5 locations, 3 of them will do open houses January 20th to the 25th. And then our hub store where I work, as well as one of our other stores, will run January 27th through February 1st. Open house for us is a time of discounts, socialization, food, seminars. There is a ton of stuff going on, way more than what I'm going to bore you with. If you're in the area here that you'd be interested in attending, I'll put a link down at the bottom that takes you to the page that has the schedule of everything that's going to be going on. Absolutely worth looking at. A lot of really cool stuff going on. If you've ever gone to a dealer open house before, erase your expectations because ours are a lot different. There's a lot for you to come to and see. On the video side, on open house, on February 1st, I'm actually presenting one of the seminars. My specialty in the business is on Kubota products, and so I'm going to be doing a seminar on February 1st on Kubota's 2020 new product models. So we'll do a little bit of talking about the M8 that's coming, about the SCL walk-behind skid steer, and we now have all the new MX series tractors in stock. So we'll do a walk around here on an MX cab and the open station model, show you some of that new stuff. And I'll be around if you're just interested in coming and socializing and spending some time together. That's kind of what I have that time set aside for. It's a Saturday, February 1st. On video ideas, I'm always looking for your ideas. The last time I asked for them from you guys, you really responded and gave me a ton of very good ideas that actually did turn into some of the videos that we did. The comments are always great for that, not just on this video, but any video. If there's things that you think would be worthwhile for me to shoot that I have not done on the 500 videos that I've done so far, many of you are not very good at searching backwards, let me know. One thing that I would like to do would be to answer some questions more directly. Some months ago, I did a video with another channel where we exchanged some video files back and forth in a question and answer type format. I would be very interested in doing that with you guys. So if you have a specific question that can be answered in, say, like 2 or 3 minutes, right? Whether it's about products, dealerships, industry stuff, I don't care. Anything that you think might make an interesting video, go ahead and leave that down in the comments below. If you can do it with a video to me, shot by yourself, I think that's way more engaging for people to watch rather than me saying, hey, somebody gave me this question. Shoot a video of yourself on your cell phone. You can email it to me. My email is neilm, Neilm @messick.com, or drop it over into, say, like Dropbox and put a link in the comments below or something. Some way that I can get those video files from you. Let's do that. Let's try it. Maybe it's taking a video of your property and asking for a recommendation on a tractor. Maybe it's questions about dealership operations, the industry questions, whatever is on your mind. We can kind of cast a wider net here in some of the kinds of stuff that we choose to talk about. If you guys think it would be interesting, I'm open to that. Also looking to maybe do some more site visits with customers here in the springtime. Last year, I hired an intern in order to help make videos. That guy was hugely helpful to me. Even over weeks after he was done, we continued to release some of those. It got a lot of stuff made very quickly. If you're, say, within 2 hours or so of central Pennsylvania, I'd be very willing to put an intern on the road to come out to you. Maybe I'll come along if you're local enough, and maybe we could come out and look at some of the projects that you're done and talk about the equipment that you have too, and see if we can feature you and your machinery on the show in some fashion. So that's kind of where we are right now. Wintertime is a little slow time of kind of planning and kind of ramping up this for the season for dealerships like us. Looking to do a little bit of different things on the video side and hoping to see a lot of you out at our open house. It's a great time and we're stopping out for. So yeah, my regular YouTube closing. If you've got equipment that you're looking for, parts or service needs that we can help with, give us a call at Messick's. We're available at 800-222-3373 or online at messicks.com.